In this video, I will show you how to add a favicon in Hostinger website builder. Once you're inside Hostinger website builder, click on these little three dots or website settings. Then go to general settings. Next to favicon, click on update. Then add image. Now you can upload it from your computer. If you don't have a favicon ready yet, you can create it simply using this website. It is called favicon.io. Click on generator from the top. Then, since my website is called Ben's Adventures, I will go with the letter B. As you can see, it is updated here. For the colors, I will go with white and black. You can preview it here or directly from this web browser tab. Click on download. As you can see, it is downloaded in a zip file. Click on it to decompress it. Go back to Hostinger website builder and click on upload file. Locate your favicon on your computer and hit open. After the uploading is complete, click on select on your favicon, then hit this save button. And remember to always update your website after any modification in order to appear live. Click on view site. As you can see, my favicon is added successfully to my website on Hostinger website builder. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.